All right, boys and girls, tomorrow we're going to be taking our math test for subtraction. Okay, so we're going to be seeing all that a math test means is that you're going to be showing me how much you can do on your own. Okay, I want you to know, always know that tests aren't meant to be scary. Okay. Tests are just a time for you to show me what you know how to do all on your own. And then if I see that you don't know how to do it, then that means that I can help you a little bit more. Okay? But in tests, you always have to try your very, very best to show all that you can do. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your test practice. Today we're just practicing. It's not the real test today. Today is just practice, okay? We're going to find this purple folder that was in our bag with supplies. So it was in our big plastic bag that we got with our supplies. It was in this plastic baggie. Okay, it's a purple folder that says math test. Now remember, today we're not taking the real math test. Today we're just practicing so that we'll be ready for the real thing. When you open it, you have some papers that are stapled and some papers that are paper clipped. Okay, the papers on this side are the real test. The papers on this side are practice. So practice, real test. Practice, real test. Today is only practice, right? So we're going to find the page that says 3A at the very top. It says 3A. And then at the very bottom, it says 2. I know you can't see it very well. But at the very bottom, there's a square around it and it says 2. Yours isn't highlighted, but you do have the box around it. So what you're going to do with this one, okay, only one paper. I know there's 2. You're only going to take the first one. Only the first one. So there's 2 papers on this side. You're only going to take the first one and you're going to pull till it tears out. Okay? You're going to close your folder and then you're going to take this paper. You should only have one paper and it should say 3A at the top. Go ahead and write your name up here. And then we're going to go through it together, okay? If you need me to go slower, then you know that you can pause the video or you can rewind the video, okay? Let's get started. Now, all of the questions that you see here are kind of like the ones that you're going to see in the test tomorrow. So I need you to pay close attention so you'll be ready for the test. Number 1 says, let's read our directions first. Read each question, write the correct answer. Question number 1 says, there are 5 butterflies. 3 fly away. How many butterflies are left? Okay, I know that I need to underline my numbers so that I can see them a little bit better. Okay, there were 5 butterflies and 3 fly away. I know that if they fly away, that means I'm going to be taking away, right? And we know that when we take away, that is subtraction. When we take away, that's subtraction. So if they flew away, that's going to be subtraction. Our question says, how many butterflies are left? Okay, well, let's look at the picture. There were 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 of them flew away. Minus 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are gone. They're not there anymore. How many are left? 2. Okay. Number 2 says, there are 7 marbles. There is 1 beach ball. How many fewer beach balls are there than marbles? This one is tricky. Let's read it again. There are 7 marbles. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't count these two, okay? These two are just there to show us that these are marbles and these are beach balls. So these don't count. These are just there to show us what they are, okay? So there are 7 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 1 beach ball. 1 beach ball. How many fewer beach balls are there than marbles? So how many fewer beach balls are there than marbles? What that means is how many more marbles would we need to make the same amount as beach balls? Like how many are missing here to make it the same as marbles? How many beach balls are missing? How many beach balls would we need to make it the same as marbles? So how many fewer beach balls are there than marbles? Well, let's see. There's 1 and 1, 2, 3. So there would need to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beach balls. There are 6 fewer beach balls. We would need 6 more beach balls to have the same amount as marbles. Number 3 says, look at the addition number sentence below. Write a related subtraction number sentence. Okay. You're going to tell me, I see addition here. Yep. But remember when I told you, or when we did Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear, and we called them a family because they all lived together in the same house? And we said that when 3 numbers are together like this, they're a family because they live in the same number sentence, right? So these 3 numbers are a family because they're used in the same sentence. They are a family. If it helps me, I could draw a little house. They live in the same house, right? We have 1, 7, and 8. Now, what do we know about Papa Bear? Papa Bear is the biggest number of the 3. So which of these 3 numbers is the biggest? 8. So Papa Bear is going to go on top. Now we also know that Papa Bear goes at the end of the sentence in addition, right? So this is Papa Bear. And then we have Baby Bear and Mama Bear. 1 is Baby Bear and then Mama Bear. And we know that Mama Bear and Baby Bear can switch places. But when we add, Papa Bear always goes at the end. Now, when we subtract, where does Papa Bear go? When we subtract, where does Papa Bear go? Papa Bear is the biggest number, so he's gonna go first. Papa Bear goes first when we subtract. And then Mama Bear and Baby Bear, it doesn't matter which one goes first when we do this, right? We can do 8 minus 1 equals 7. So Papa Bear minus Baby Bear equals Mama Bear. Or another way of doing it is Papa Bear, and then Mama Bear and Baby Bear can switch places, right? They can switch. So now we could do 7 and 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7, or 8 minus 7 equals 1. And these 3 numbers are from the same family because we could use all 3 numbers to add, and we can use all 3 numbers to subtract. Okay, so remember, Papa Bear goes at the end in addition, but he goes in the beginning in subtraction. Okay, let's try number 4. Number 4 says, what is the difference? We looked at this word yesterday. Difference. means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. So when it asks us what is the difference, that means we need to find out what the answer is for subtraction. Okay? So here we have our part, whole math. We have two parts, and when we add these two parts together, we get a whole. But oh no, we're missing a part here. We're missing a part. How do we find the missing part? Well, we subtract the biggest number, Papa Bear, minus Baby Bear, and we gotta find Mama Bear. We don't know what Mama Bear is. We're missing Mama Bear. So we find Mama Bear by taking Papa Bear minus Baby Bear. So now we gotta do some subtraction, and we can use our fingers for this. We're going to put up 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4 means we're going to take away 4. So we have 6, let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 2. 2 are left. So our missing part is 2. We had to find Mama Bear. She was missing. All right. Number 5 says, write a subtraction number sentence to match the picture. Write a subtraction number sentence to match the picture. So here's our picture. Now we need to write a sentence to go with it. Okay. First, we need to see how many we have all together, right? So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These X's means that we take away. Take away. So what's our symbol for take away? Minus. How many did we take away? We took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 9. We took away 5. Now we need to write our answer. How many are left? There were 9. We took away 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. You tell me, how many are left? 4. 4 are left. Okay, let's turn the page. Okay, these I know that you guys know how to do, so I'm going to let you try these on your own. Okay, 5 minus 4, 7 minus 3, 9 minus 6. You may use your fingers or you may draw pictures. If you were drawing pictures, you would do 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 6, so you take away 6 and see how many you have left. Okay, let's try number 9 together. Number 9 says, write the subtraction number sentence. So we need to write the sentence. Now, there's a little hint here. It says subtraction. So I know that my symbol is going to be minus, and then I know that my equal sign goes here. Okay, so I can answer that already. And then I need to figure out what my first number is. My first number is how many I have all together in the beginning. So let's see how many there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 circles. 10 oranges, 10 pizzas, whatever you want to call them. 10 circles. Minus means we take away, so we took away how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We took away 8 because they're X'd out, right? So we know that there are 8 are gone. How many are left now? Write your answer right here. How many are left? If all of these are gone, how many are left? Okay, let's try number 10. Number 10 says, Georgia made 10 bracelets. Let's underline our number. She gave 8 of them away. Now that tells us, is this going to be addition or subtraction? She had 10, but she gave 8 of them away. She gave them away, so that means we're going to subtract. How many bracelets does she have left? Now, we're going to have to do this in vertical subtraction. So, first she had 10 bracelets. The biggest number goes on top. How many did she start with? She started off with 10. But then she gave 8 of them away. So how many do we take away? 8. So now this says 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8. And how much is that? Okay, figure that out for me. You can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, you could even use your cubes if you wanted to. Your cubes would say there were 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 bracelets, but she gave 8 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She gave 8 of them away. How many does she have left? So you're going to need to write your answer right here, but you're also going to need to write your answer right here. Okay, so write your answer here and here. And then the rest I'm going to let you do on your own. Okay, 9 minus 6 equals 7 minus 3 equals. Again, you can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, or you can use your cubes. Or maybe you just already know what the answer is without using any of those strategies. Okay, you're going to take a picture of this. And you're going to take a picture of both sides and turn it in Canvas. Okay, so that was your practice. Tomorrow we'll be taking our math test, so make sure you get some good sleep so that you're nice and ready for our test. And remember, the test is nothing that you should be worried about. It's just a chance for you to show how much you can do on your own. And if there are things that you can't do on your own, then that tells me that we need to work together a little bit more. Okay? Alrighty, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow.